How often do you use your dictionary? Countless times a day and 7 days a week, I have to say. I'm an English learner, so I look up new uncommon words in dictionaries each time I encounter them. Using dictionary is part and parcel of my daily activities. Do you like paper dictionaries or electronic dictionaries? I definitely will gravitate towards using an electronic dictionary. It has been a long time since I last carried a heavy printed dictionary. Now, all that I need is my smartphone connected to the internet. I mean, e-dictionaries are portable and really come in handy. What kinds of dictionaries have you used before? As a high schooler without the smartphone, I largely relied on my paper dictionary. Since I started going to college, I've turned to e-dictionaries. I have a liking for monolingual dictionaries because they explain the context in which a word can be used in detail. If someone gave you a dictionary as a gift, how would you feel? Well, I will feel very happy as it would be a useful gift for me and for anyone. We keep coming across new words and I believe that everyone should have a dictionary to search for their meanings.